Hi guys, so we are back with another video. Look at Camila.
And I have a crab.
Where is it?
Right there in the corner. Look, see that?
Oh, there he is.
And guys, Santiago found 2 crabs and it's in his bowl.
Santiago got 2 crabs, guys. So we are crab hunting
God,
over
it's
here at
moving.
South Padre with
My
the
crab is
kiddos.
Aw. I'm still finding
Hi guys. So we are here crab hunting.
Yeah. And I got a crab. Guys.
Yeah, Camila has already a
But I
crab,
didn't
and then
got the crab like this. Someone like just found a crab. Well, Santiago found it and I tried to get it, but
a what? Yeah, but we haven't gotten it yet.
wait.
Feels like we're in the 70s.
No. But yeah, guys, so we're out here at the beach and we're starting our vlog tonight. That we just came for the day, but decided to stay. So here we are. The kiddos wanted to come crab hunting, so
One crab.
it is quite windy, as you can see here with my hair. The husband over here is wearing the flashlight because it's pretty dark, guys. It's pretty dark, so we are trying to follow the tradition that we do here and crab hunting in the night. And so here we are, guys. Look at that. That's a big hole. Somebody did a big hole here. But yeah, I don't know if you can see the waves, guys. It looks...
Look at right there, guys.
With the rock.
It's like
They made like an alligator or something. Wow.
It looks like a dinosaur.
And we actually have a full moon, guys.
I think I saw crab.
There's the full moon right there. But yeah, we just wanted to come out here for a little bit and share our crab hunting. So here again are the kiddos. And tomorrow we will be doing some more, probably catching some sun and getting in the pool or something. But yeah, guys, so stay tuned for the next one.
The next day.
So guys, this morning we already had our breakfast. The kids are in the water, even though it's a little chilly, but they're enjoying their time in the water. They're having a good time. And Bella is out with us too. Hi, Bella. So there's Camila. Say hi, Camila.
Hi.
Say hi. So there comes Santiago and Michaela.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
Oh my God, it's
So yeah,
Bella's
guys,
first time
it's a really beautiful day. Bella is over here enjoying her time too. First time at the beach.
Bella, you like it? Guys, can I show you what I did?
They were building castles, guys, already. So it is a nice day out. There's Alex over there enjoying his time off.
It's I'm doing a hole and it's already looking good. I'm trying to do a sand pool for everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's probably going to be a feet pool. Because probably we're not going to really fit. Bella, look at Bella. Bella,
So
look.
there's Bella. So yeah, guys, basically we're enjoying this day out, getting some sun.
The ponds are already full of sand, guys.
So yeah, we've never dealt with a dog with sand, so we'll see how it's gonna be when we have to clean her up. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and share with you what a beautiful day it is out here.
Let's work. Let's work.
Santiago, there's Santiago. It's actually a pretty clean water today too. Bella, Bella, be careful, Bella. And not a lot of people, which I like that, you know, especially right now. So yeah, the kiddos are enjoying their time out at the beach. So we will update you in a little while.